Hello friends, let's crack together computer science and applications net set. It's very easy to crack it. So in previous videos we have to see what is cohesion, what is coupling. Now today we have seen here function oriented design. What is function oriented design? It consists of the we have seen yesterday function oriented design approaches. Okay. Now next is object oriented design, which consists of object oriented design approaches. Objects oriented design consists of the terms like objects, classes, messages, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Now our system is nothing but collection of objects or entities. For example, bank is a collection of the customer, employee and head objects. Okay. Next design is user interface design. What is user interface design? Client interacts with the computer or software. Types are CLI and GUI, command line interface and graphical user interface. What are the principles of user interface design? Structure, simplicity, visibility, feedback and tolerance. Now next is design patterns. What are the design patterns? It shows the relationships and interaction between classes or objects. Okay. Design patterns, then there are programming language independent strategies for solving a common problem. There are three types: creational, structural, behavioral. Remind it in a BCS. We are a BCS students, so B for behavioral, C for creational, S for structural. Behavior design patterns means they are about the identifying common communication patterns between the objects and realize these patterns. Then creational means it's all about object creation using factor method, abstract factory, building singleton. Okay, this method is the most important factor method. There is a numerical on this method in exam. Okay, yes, for structural design patterns, they are all about organizing different classes and objects to form larger structures, provide new functionality. Okay, these are the design patterns. Then next is architectural design, object oriented design, user interface design and then architectural design. And next part is here is component level design. Now what is architectural design? Architectural design gives the specification about the major components of the system. Okay, main difference between architectural design and this component level design is nothing but this is the defines the data structure, algorithm, interface, characteristics, communication mechanism allocate to each component for the system development. Means component level design is a sub part of architectural level design. Means architectural design gives the information about the major components, means number of the components used in your system, their properties, their responsibilities, interfaces, relationships and interaction between them, number of components, their relationship, their properties. And this component level design information about the single component is given here. Okay, now we have seen software design part 1 and part 2. In part 2 there is number of design patterns, number of designs is given. Okay, thank you.